Right now, Royal Enfield is evolving its lineup, including the apex-focused version of the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450, a more road-oriented setup, better for clean asphalt, more refined for ideal conditions. And on paper, that makes sense, but not here. Because this is what we actually ride: broken asphalt, flooded intersections, mud over tarmac, unfinished roads, unpredictable surfaces every single day, especially across Mindanao, where road conditions change faster than traffic does. And in that reality, a road-optimized setup is not always an advantage. Sometimes it's a limitation. So we built something different. This is the TerraVerde Guerrilla 450, an urban mixed surface system, not a showroom interpretation, not a styling exercise. A motorcycle designed for how people actually ride here, when the road is good and when it isn't. We're not chasing maximum performance, we're chasing consistency. Grip that doesn't disappear when the surface changes. Throttle response that stays predictable in traffic and rain. Control that works at low speed and in chaos. Because confidence doesn't come from perfect conditions, it comes from predictability in imperfect ones. Every modification has a purpose. We start with tires, like the Michelin Anaki Adventure, because grip has to survive wet roads, gravel, and broken asphalt. We improve rider control with wider handlebars, risers, and foot pegs, because honestly, real control matters more than comfort settings. We refine fueling with the FuelX Pro Plus, not for more power, but for smoother, more usable response in real riding conditions. We remove unnecessary components like the resonator and tune the system for cleaner, more refined flow and response. We add protection, because in real-world riding, things happen. Falling may occur, but with proper control and handling, it is often preventable. And if it does happen, this bike is designed to be picked up and ridden again. We upgrade lighting for night visibility and wet conditions. We simplify navigation using systems like the Beeline Moto, used only when needed, not constantly draining attention or battery. This is not a collection of parts. It is a system built around real riding. Most custom builds actually fail before they're ever finished. It's not really because people lose interest, you know? It's more about starting without any real structure. People end up buying parts here and there, just in isolation. Budgets, well, they get stretched way too far, way too early. Then there are those shipping delays that just slow everything down. And eventually, the bike just gets parked, half-finished, unridden. That's exactly what we're solving. So, here's what we did. We built a system. Stage 1, control. That's the foundation, right there. You get an immediate boost in safety and rideability. Then, stage 2, flow. Now the bike starts to respond naturally, predictably. Stage 3, survivability. At this point, it's ready for anything, rain, night, or long distance. Or you can go even further. We offer half-custom builds, professionally assembled and dialed in, or full TerraVerde signature builds. These are fully refined systems built from the ground up. The philosophy stays the same, just different levels of completion. And for the full signature builds, each bike includes hand-painted tank elements. No mass production here, no decals, just individual expression on a machine that's actually built for real use. But, you know, this isn't just about building bikes. It's about building access. You can come in, have a coffee, and just talk through your build. No pressure, no rushed decisions. We stock the parts. We help you plan things out properly. We'll install or support you if you want to do it yourself. And once your bike is done, we offer a free safety inspection. Because honestly, what matters most is simple. You getting home safely. This isn't about building perfect motorcycles. It's about building the right motorcycles for real roads, real riders, real conditions, across the Philippines and especially in Mindanao. Bikes you need, bikes you love, built together, and soon, we won't just build them, we'll ride them together. Monthly Sunday breakfast runs, coming soon.